I'm Stephanie Ansley and I'm going to show you a quick cat tutorial for Halloween. Whether you're just staying home or you're going to give out candy, I just wanted to show you something that's just quick and simple. So I already did the nose. I just used a black pencil and I just did a quick circle. And what I'm thinking is you could use the black or you could use the pink, like some pink eyeshadow or lipstick. Also, I'm going to use the black pencil to make the whiskers. This is like really easy, real simple. You don't have time, last minute idea. What I like to do is use 3 to make 3 lines. There's my cat. Just fixing it a little bit. Then what? I have my kitty ears. Also, I have another one, and I can put this over. I also have one with rhinestones on here, if you like, whichever you prefer. Then I'm going to show you, I use to make the glitter lips. As you can see, I'm going to show you a quick little trick. So first, I use just this, it's the Super Stay Maybelline to outline. I'm going to do this again. Once I do that, then I'm going to put some lip gloss, red lip gloss. This is the Infallible. And you just put it like that. Redo. Once I do that, I'm going to use the NYX glitter. This is so easy. Once I do that, I get the glitter glue. And I'm going to just put it here. Dab it on my lips. I already have it on the top, so I'm just going to show you on the bottom. Once I do that, I'm going to get it with my hands. More glitter, actually. Keep the glitter glue on your hands. And I'm going to pour it on here. And just dab it on my lips. See it? Starting to sparkle. Dab some more. And there you go. A quick, easy Halloween cat tutorial. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Bye.